The KAMRUI AK1 Plus mini PC promises essential computing in a tiny package, featuring an Intel Celeron N5095, 16GB RAM, and 256GB SSD. It's built for everyday tasks like web browsing, streaming, and basic office work. We'll examine if this budget-friendly option delivers on its claims. Check the link in the description for the best price. Let's dive into how the KAMRUI AK1 Plus performs in real-world, everyday scenarios. For tasks like word processing, spreadsheets, and presentation software, this mini PC offers acceptable performance without significant slowdowns. Navigating the web, checking emails, and watching online videos are generally fluid, even with a few tabs open simultaneously. With its dual 4K output capability, the AK1 Plus is a solid option for setting up a media center or streaming. However, when it comes to running many applications at once or tackling more intensive processes, the low-power CPU quickly reaches. For daily computing, this mini PC handles foundational tasks capably, but its limits become apparent under. Let's analyze if the AK1 Plus offers compelling value for its cost. For a budget mini PC, it offers a generous configuration with 16GB of RAM and expandable storage, which is quite. As a lesser-known brand, there's some uncertainty around KAMRUI's long-term support and warranty, which affects buyer confidence. While competitive, the market now includes newer mini PCs with N95 or N100 processors, potentially offering better performance for A. The true value of this mini PC really shines when it's available at a discount, making it a much more. This mini PC packs a decent set of features for its price, though competitive options could. Next, let's address the potential buyer risks and common complaints for this mini PC. The physical build appears adequate for the price, though it might not feel as premium or durable as higher-end desktop. For simple tasks, reliability is generally fine, but the long-term endurance, especially under consistent use, remains somewhat unknown. Customer support and warranty experiences can be a concern with smaller brands, and evidence for KAMRUI's long-term quality is limited. As a standard Windows-based mini PC, software compatibility is generally excellent, working seamlessly with most common applications and peripherals. Buyers should be aware of the performance limits and the potential for inconsistent long-term support with. The KAMRUI AK1 Plus mini PC is a solid choice if your needs are strictly limited to basic office work, web browsing, and media consumption. It offers a decent feature set for its price, especially with its expandable storage and dual 4K support. However, serious multitaskers or anyone needing power for creative apps should look elsewhere.